Hi, my name is Ravi and I will just restart the bot here and I will show you a quick demo of how this bot works and what benefits you will get out of using this bot in your market and how it can help you to close more deals. As you all will agree that in real estate, the lead cycle is longer and it hardly happens that you meet a person for the first time and he and she says that he wants to sign you for a 500,000 deal. Now you have to gain the trust of a lead and make them feel that they can trust you, that to help them make the biggest financial decision in their life. This happens when they get some value from you. This can be in the form of information or guidance or an advice that is best based on their particular situations. Now, how you can achieve it here is that we subscribe them to this messenger bot. Now, there are various ways like Facebook ads, your current websites, and different ways, many other ways. That is a topic for some other day, and I will discuss that in some another video. Now, I'll show you here how it works. It has this menu here, buying property, selling property, financial questions, and then contact. So I'll just start from here. So if they click this buy, rent, or sell, this is for the information that generally the home buyers are looking for. Now we can show it as a text, or if you create your own videos, those can be put here. The benefit of the videos is when they watches these videos, they get to know you by face and recognize you as an authority on the subject. You get to build the trust and credibility with them. Now, second is this search properties. When I click the search, it will ask me the criteria on that. Now, this can be from the MLS data that is going to your existing website, or if you don't have the MLS data, it can be your own data, which you can add the properties on the back end that we provide you. So when the user come here, they can select the cities. Now this is a demo data and this is not accurate. This is the demo MLS data, which is not accurate. So when it is the actual data coming from the MLS that you provide, it will show the properties in your area. So they can select on what they are looking for, the number of bedrooms they are looking for, and what is the budget. Suppose if I submit this information, it will show me the properties in these areas. So I can check the details for that. In the details, it will show me everything, including the photos of that property. It will show me the property details, address, and other things, and various other information which we get the feed from MLS data. So when I close this, if I like this property, if I bookmark this, it will be added to my bookmarks. Suppose if I like some another property and I check the detail for this one, it will show me all the details here. Again, the photos and whatever information I want to get, I can check from here. The list price. If there is some geographic descriptions, then I can get that information. What are the taxes on this property? And various other information that is there on the MLS data we can see here. And suppose if I bookmark this also, then it will be added to my bookmark. So when I go back to the main menu, I can see my bookmarks here. So as a user, if I am bookmarked some properties, I can see all those properties here. And then the next option is, now the best part for this is that it is much more than providing only the information. It is a permission based behavior response marketing. We keep a track of what activity they are doing and what they are looking on, and based on their search criteria we can start a discussion or chat with them. Suppose if they are looking for a 4-bedroom property in an area, we can send them a chat message whenever a new property is added to the database. Now this is all automated and no human is involved in this, and they can subscribe anytime if they want to. Now the purpose of this discussion, the purpose of this is to start a conversation. If they answer the first few questions, we can inform the agent to answer the chat at the same time. As you are all aware that leads have a high chances of conversion if they are answered in the first 5 or 10 minutes. So it basically qualifies the lead for you, and you get to talk to only the leads that are actually serious. So when I go to the next one, this is for selling the property. If they want to sell the property, they can check the information here. Again, it can be the videos. If you are creating the content yourself, you can put all the videos here that you put on the YouTube, so that they don't have to go to the YouTube and search for your information. They can find it all here. Again, this is various kind of informations that you can just put here, and they can have the benefit of that. Now this one is the mortgage calculator. Suppose if I'm looking for 400,000 property, and I'll be say making a 10% down payment for 15 years, and the annual rate, for example, I put is 5%. So it will calculate the mortgage for me here, how much will be the mortgage, and this all can be changed based on your details, how you want to do it. If it is something different in your area, it can be done in that way. And then this is basically the pre-qualification. If they want to have the pre-qualification of the loan, they can put in their information here and they can send it to you. And if they want to book an appointment, so this will be going to the calendar and your calendar, and they can book the appointment here to talk to you. So maybe they just want to have a 15-minute discussion. They can choose the date and time that they want to talk to, and they can confirm it, and this information will be sent to you. And as an agent, if you want to check who is looking into the bots, so we can just go to this agent tools. For the demo purpose, the password is 0000. So if I put this password, it will show me all the leads and the appointments that I have. Suppose if I check the leads, I will see who all people have bookmarked which properties. Suppose for the test data, there are two leads here. One is Ravi, me, and one is Ryan. So if I check Ravi, I will see the details of what Ravi has bookmarked for himself. These are all the properties which are bookmarked by Ravi. So you can have an idea, like if the person is looking for the properties and he has bookmarked some properties here, you can just send a text message, a chat message to him and start the conversation. Or if they have given the information for the phone number, you can just call this number and it will go to the phone, and you can just have a conversation and talk with them. So the basic purpose for this bot is to build the rapport and to start the conversation, because once you have the conversations going, it leads to the appointments, and once you have the appointments, you know that you can close the deals much higher and you can have much benefits of that. So if you have any other questions related to this bot, and if you have some suggestions, I would highly appreciate if you can just send me a message, or if you want to get some other modules added to this, so just send me a message and we will get back to you on that. Thanks for watching this video and hope to talk to you sometime soon.